Noble Around Ari, a super luxury high-rise condominium project, is situated on a prime location, only 100 meters from BTS Ari, offering a quick access to all destinations. In addition, Noble Around Ari is also surrounded by many important places such as La Villa, The Seasons, Payatai Hospital 2, Pajawiti Hospital, Victory Monument, and others. Moreover, the project comes with a meticulous design inspired by a modernist architect, Ludwig Weiss van der Rohe skin and bones architecture. This concept embraces simplicity and transparency with geometry design and recognized regions within nature. Moreover, every unit is meticulously designed considering functionality. It also has complete facilities in the common area, including swimming pools, fitness centers, gardens, and many more. Noble Around Ari meets all aspects of living, and we at CondoDee offer foreign quota condos for this project with a special promotion. Please contact us. You can see contact details at the screen as usual. And if you are interested to receive alerts about properties in Bangkok that make sense, don't forget to like the video, to subscribe to our channel, and to click a bell. I'm Win-Win at CondoDee Eternal Property. Enjoy the video. Bye.